Namaskar, Siddharth here. So, on this beautiful occasion, I want to wish all of you Merry Christmas. And because it's a beautiful occasion, I think it is the right time to introduce something very, very close to my heart. So, introducing Dhairyada Institute for Psychological Studies. Dadam, 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 dadam. The Dhairya Institute for Psychological Studies is like a second step ahead in my plan. I started Dhairya with the goal of reaching a lot of people, and while I think we have reached that goal somewhere through our counseling skills, through our pro bono sessions, and through sliding scales, we also want to make sure that we are there for students who want to bridge the gap between theory and application. So without wasting any more time, let me take up some frequently asked questions about DIPS so that you can understand the entire institute much better. Question number 1. What exactly is DIPS and what are the subjects that we are going to take? DIPS is an online platform where we are giving you access to learning of different subjects, from research methodology to biopsychology to counseling skills to personality psychotherapy. We are offering classes for more than 10 subjects. You can choose whichever subject you want to learn. Each subject has its own different class timings, own different assessments, and its different structure, right? You can take up the subjects that you want to take and study further in it. In fact, not only this, we also have combined packages that if you take up 2 or 3 subjects together, we are also offering diplomas in that. So this entire thing will be starting from 25th Jan onwards, and if you are interested to know which subjects we are offering, stay tuned to our website, to our Instagram, and you can definitely email us or ask us. The details are mentioned in the subscription box below. Sorry, I'm a little nervous, and I think I'm much more excited rather than nervous. Going ahead, the question number 2, what are the accreditations that we possess? So yes, we have made sure that we have the credentials and the experience to give you what you need. We are accredited with more than 3 institutes right now, from International Institute of Applied Psychology to International Institute of Therapists to APA, and a lot of other credible organizations. At the same time, I would like to add, all our teaching faculty is very much experienced, has completed their masters, has an experience of teaching. I myself have done my masters in clinical psychology, diploma and PG diploma in counseling and therapy, a diploma in community mental health, and I have cracked my NET JRF at 99 percentile rank. Yes, I'm kind of very proud of that. And I have an experience of more than 5 years in teaching with, if I might add, an excellent feedback from students. All our faculty is coming from a similar background, and I assure you, quality wise, you're going to be blown away. It is going to be a beautiful experience, because what we are offering is not just learning of some subjects, but an insight into applying those concepts to yourself. Okay, going ahead to the next question. Yes, why us and why not somebody else? So why should you go for Dhairya Institute of Psychological Studies? Because we believe in personalization and not commercialization. We actually care if you have understood the concept. We actually care if you can actually apply it, because honestly, my goal at the end is to make sure that we can reach masses. We can take mental health to grassroots level, and if you have understood what we are trying to teach you, that is the only way to make sure that we can reach grassroots. So if Dhairya is a tree, I want to make sure that all of you can be beautiful branches of psychology which can take this entire subject ahead and spread awareness at the grassroots level. And coming to the last question, why online? Right. So online, because first of all, that is how the world is working right now. And second of all, online gives you this freedom to be wherever you are, and to practice and to learn from wherever you are, in whatever mood you are, in whatever you are wearing, from pajamas to a Punjabi, right? And I also believe that having an online platform also makes sure that we get acquainted with the new way of learning. It gives us exposure to different kinds of skill sets. If you get in, I promise you that the experience would be so beautiful that you will forget offline. Trust me. On that note, I have answered some questions about DIPS. I'm pretty sure that you would be as excited as I am about this concept. If you have any other queries, please get back to us. Like, share and subscribe as much as you can. DIPS is your place. DIPS is a place to grow as a human being. We want to give you wings in forms of concept clarity, in forms of vision, in forms of self introspection. And please help me achieve this goal. You can contact us for all the details. We have started the registrations for the classes, and you can contact us to know more about what courses we are offering. Thank you.